tanky heroes na initiated sa Onyx Philippines. Pero usually Hayabusa ay countered by Hilda. Pero may ganito namang backup, hard carry na Hayabusa. CC versus Harith is interesting. Kirk, activate the ultimate para kay Chessman doon. Uy, Chessman pa rin na nakasecure ang heart.
Grabe naman yun. And of course, it will be a very strong after post-turtle fight here. Nice final slash coming in from Sanford this time around. Will be able to get the take out King Kong. Malaking bagay yan. Papasok pa si Kirawan. May Zaman Force pang kailangan sa gawin dito. Pero the duality will also be doing some pretty good damage with King Ilra here.
Dun sa Earth and Vampire na setup ni Brusco, parang mas napapadali yung duality ni Prince.
Yeah, and obviously for Prince, will be very crucial for him to cover yung backline dito. Pero look at that, Kirawan ready to go in, jump in, Kirawan nasa gitna. And yung ganda ng tunggol chest pa ng target dito ng Onyx Philippines. And they're gonna be able to get some good damage done. JP falls as well. Pero sumasabay pa naman sa sayawan. Etong si Kirawan, laban kay Kirawan. I don't know who's gonna get that.
Oh
It's gonna
my
be
God!
Team Liquid.
Kumpara sa atin ng katapat, teleport play, Kirk, going for Sanford.
Okay, that's a big attack. Final slash, tatama sa tatlo. Pero syempre, the follow with real. Grabe yung dagger. Hindi niya makuhawakan. And ito na.
God! Pop niya doon para makapag-guys team at mapwersa nga. Onyx Philippines had to commit so much. King Kong dead once again.
Brusco is gonna try. Final slash will be connecting. Pero here comes the darkening. Masaya pa rin naman na damage niya. Pero Sanji, I don't think he should go for that. Definitely going down in that brilliance. Safe play coming in from Team Liquid Philippines. And again, they're trying to get us
Zero sa kanyang pwesto sa ngayon. Mag-isa sa ngayon, mag-isa pero tataas na lang. Nandito si Sanji para sa mga overextension. Mabubuhay pa this time. Nakita na si Chessman, nandito si Sanji. Kailangan mag-ingat. Pinupuran dito ng Yoyo at nag-rock na naman.
Sanford again will be absorbing some hits pero it will not be enough to actually do much. Pero masakit na ang duality Arun. Umaray na ng bahagya. And si Kirk naman ngayon binibigyan. JP up on front, Kirawan Sanji nasa gilid. Ang hirap na lapitan ng Lord na ito. And then rush natin yung turbo na ng Onyx Philippines will be securing that Lord.
Pero wala sa depensa na to. Brilliance is gonna be there for defense. JP, naku po nakita sa iba dito ang makunat sa ngayon, nakapag-tinker, mapapatumba, ganun pa rin. Dito ng Onyx Philippines, na ganun naman din yung mga heroes punta. Kapag kasi na gumagamit ka ng Hilda, decent shit pang harapan talaga. Tech charge ginamit na nga dito. And mukhang mabubuhay pa sa kanyang mga members ng Liquid. Look at that, Sanford once again, snagging Kendra, nabuhay pa with a vengeance. At meron ng pag-contra dito with Super Prince. Oh my God! He gets the double dun sa may backline. Sanford trying his best. Napatay si Kendra doon. Pero ang kapalit, tatlo, teleport play. Sanji naman, maliligtas ngayon with the brilliance. Sinahamon na isang kabayo dito. Das up the Cyclone Eye. And everybody mula sa Oni, kinahamon na si Sanji. Chef! Ang menu natin ngayon, Chef! Oh my God! Shutdown mula sa Oni.
Yeah, may vision naman, tinulungan with the Mountain Shocker, pero at the same time,
position ni Brusco. Napakatapang na niya with the Grok. One of course some rotations dito at yun naman ginamit ko dito. Actually, Purify forced Rockheart.
yeah, that's gonna be huge. Kurt nasa harapan ng naglalaman dun sa likod si King Kong and si JP. Na-isolate naman ni JP pero it's not in the long for he's gonna go down. And si Kira talaga hindi na mapigilan dito sa kanyang CC and finally, ni Brusco na dumaan. May tech charge din na already para sa kanya. Saan for the target? And he will be eliminated in an instant. And there's the coming team fight though. It's really good chess man. Nasa goal training ng Brusco. Pero si Kirawan will fall with Kelra in front. I don't think they can survive it for this long. 4v2 ang mangyayari dito. And dadaanan na lang into the base.
King Kong, hindi pa tapos yung clash na nangyari. Meron pang natitirang isang member